Today we're going to be talking about the guidance software agent and how it's used by EnCase Endpoint Security to reduce the time and cost associated with identifying advanced persistent threats. Let's look at an endpoint. The guidance software agent works across 7 different operating systems: Mac, Windows, Linux. They're the easy ones. What about the server types? HP UX, IBM, AIX, Sun Solaris, and of course Novell NetWare. The good thing about this is we cover every type of endpoint, whether they're hardware or physical devices, or whether they're virtual machines. As long as they have this operating system, we can deploy our passive agent. It's also good to know that these operating systems exist across several device types. They of course exist across servers, computers, laptops, and tablets, but they also exist across computer integrated manufacturing, ATMs, which have an embedded Windows operating system or Linux operating system. Point of sales terminals also contain one of these operating systems in an embedded device. So again, whether they're physical or they're virtual systems and essentially exist within a cloud-based repository or a cloud-based resource, we can deploy our agent. Let's talk a little bit about the agent. The agent itself is completely passive. What does passive mean? It has 99.9% downtime and it operates in a binary fashion. That binary fashion means that it is 1 megabyte in size, there's our 1, and 0% CPU and disk utilization. That means that the productivity of the end user or users using those individual machines is completely unaffected by this specific agent. No problems deploying it across our 7 different operating systems. No problems retrieving data to detect and respond to advanced threats. All of this has come to fruition based on our forensic background and knowledge. Guidance Software spent the last 20 years reverse engineering operating systems and filing systems to retrieve data. We don't use system activity or system controls to retrieve that data. We've retrieved it ourselves by identifying and pulling out the information that's relevant to what we want to find. The passive agent itself is a kernel level driver, doesn't affect the operating system. So I hope you heard a little bit more about the guidance software agent that helps EnCase Endpoint Security detect and respond to advanced threats. For more information, contact Guidance Software.